Today I'm making these lovely mini baked cheesecakes. They're rich, creamy, easy to make and perfect for parties, afternoon tea or just as a homemade treat with a cup of tea or coffee. I'm using digestive biscuits blended into fine crumbs and mixed with melted butter until everything's nicely coated. This gives the cheesecake a lovely buttery, crunchy base. Line a tray with cupcake cases and press the biscuit mixture firmly into the bottom of each one. You can use the back of a spoon or the back of a glass. For the cheesecake filling, I'm using full-fat cream cheese, caster sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, lemon juice, plain flour and sour cream. The sour cream gives the cheesecake a lovely, smooth, creamy texture. One important tip when making cheesecake is not to overmix the batter. Mixing gently helps prevent cracks and keeps the texture nice and soft. I'm adding the eggs one at a time, mixing slowly after each addition, then adding the vanilla, lemon juice and flour before finally folding through the sour cream. Once the filling is ready, I divide it evenly between the cupcake cases and give the tray a gentle tap to smooth the tops. These only take about 15 minutes to bake. You want the edges set while the centre still has a slight wobble. After baking, let them cool completely before placing them in the fridge overnight. Chilling them overnight really improves both the texture and flavour. To decorate them, I add a little strawberry jam and some fresh berries on top. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries or raspberries all work beautifully. These mini cheesecakes are great because they can be made ahead of time and they also freeze well, making them perfect for entertaining or special occasions. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to like, comment and follow for more Scrummy recipes. Happy baking everyone.